In the previous video, we've seen how to add this selectable drop-down field. In this video, we're going to do something similar, but we'll allow the users to go in and add new choice or delete these particular fields instead of going back into the codes and then hard coding what we see right here. All right, so this is going to be video 23 of building a computer inventory management system. And if you go in there, you're gonna see that we will have to add a new class in the models.py, and that class will be for operating systems. I'm gonna copy this code and then go to models.py. So in models.py, I'm gonna have a new model on top of this computer model. I'm gonna have a new class called operating system. All right, now instead of having it as a choice list, I'm gonna remove this choice option. Okay, so this operating system will be linked to the class that we have up here. I'm gonna remove that line. So now instead of a character field, it will be a Django foreign key field, and this will now be linked to this class that we have up here. All right, so I'm gonna let my my forms to do the validation. So in that case, I'm gonna do blank true, null true. That is to do with the database. All right, so you save it, and then in the previous video, we've already added this operating system field, so the same function or the same behavior should apply. But in this case, if I click refresh, no such table Django app underscore operating system. Right, so we have to do make migration and migrate again, then migrate, do a refresh again. Okay, so here we don't have anything to select, we don't have any choice to select. All right, so in this case, we'll have to go into the admin and then logging. Okay, we don't have that class, or we don't have that model registered here, so we will go back to the admin.py and register the computer operating system, operating systems. Okay, so don't forget to import it right here in models.py, operating system. Click save and go back to admin and click refresh. You can see we have operating system that we can click and add in the operating system. It's our type Windows 8, and add another one, Windows 10. We can add another Linux. Okay, so when I head back to the application, all right, from here you can see we have the options to select all the fields that we added, and we can go into the admin and delete them and add in new ones, which is much more flexible than the than what we did in the previous video. That is the choice list. All right, so in another video, we'll look at how to add a settings button and then go in there, add in the operating system instead of going into the admin, so that the users will not have to be logged into the admin, and some users will not be able to have the rights to log into the admin. So we'll have gonna create another section for them where they can go in and then add in these fields and come in here, select it, and then proceed with the rest of the form. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give us a like button. If you have any question, give them in the comments below. Otherwise, let's keep going.